Today, we're going to try and take this pile of cardboard and turn it into this. Stick around, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to break down that cardboard into 16 by 16 inch sheets because that's what will fit in my laser engraver. The files I have to cut this, I made off of plans that were shared by another YouTuber, and I'll share that link in the description of the video. And he's got those schematics there. I also have those SVG files that I can make available to anybody that would want them. I just don't have any place to share them, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. So let's get started. I need 3 16 by 16 inch sheets, so let's get that going. Okay, now that we have our 3 pieces of cardboard, the next thing to do is set them up on the laser cutter and start cutting. We'll just speed right through that. Alright, now to put it together, we're going to use duct tape. Quite a bit of it too. Let's start by unwrapping the new roll. I think we're going to use quite a whole roll. Pretty sure it's going to be a bit, fair amount. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put aside the parts that we don't need. Keep the parts that we do need handy. Really only need one of those. Charred. Alright. So the first thing we're going to do Is it perfect? No. But this has to last one night. Figure probably right about here for the handle. Let's cut it. Couldn't remember where my pipe cutter is, but hacksaw. This is just aluminum pipe. It used to be a shower rod pipe. It was a terrible shower rod pipe. So I had to replace it. And I used it for 6 years now. But I knew one day I would need it for something. Now the holes in the files that I will have are sized for this. You will want to resize the circle pieces and the holes for whatever it is you're working that it's all taped up and my rooms are completely lost, we can go to painting. I'm not going to film the painting, not because I don't love you guys, but because I got to do it outside, and I don't really have space to set you guys up. So I'll be back. Okay, well here it is with some paint on it. Prettiest looking Mjolnir, but it will get the job done. This is a Halloween prop. Just needed something quick and dirty. Halloween party's in 2 days, so let's let the paint dry overnight, and we'll come back to it in the morning or sometime during the day tomorrow and see how it is. See you then. Alright, it's the next day, actually the next night now. This is dry. You can definitely tell that there's duct tape on it. But this is, like I said, just a quick prop for a Halloween party really. And so now, all we have to do is finish putting it together. So why don't we do that now? We'll start by taking off the temporary handle. That's the longer piece. This is the piece that we cut to put in. Okay. That's going to go right in here. It's going to practice fit. Just to see how hard it's going to be to find this. Right there. And then we're going to take some hot glue. Well, a couple of random runes. I'm gonna freehand a little bit of something on these top ends, but I'm just gonna leave it just like that. And there you have it. Very cheap, not the greatest looking, but this will be effective, lightweight, perfect to carry around while I'm walking trick-or-treating with my son, and also at tomorrow night's Halloween party, which was the main purpose of purchasing this, because I'm going this back door. Why not, right? So there you are. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, I have the SVG files for the cardboard cutout, if you want to try cutting it out yourself. And I'll put a link to the video where I found those original dimensions for the cardboard cutout. So you could give it a shot yourself. I mean, why not? Scrap cardboard, we all have some. And you know, some duct tape, some paint, some ribbon, some hot glue, and you're done. You can use PVC, you can use whatever you want for that handle. I just happen to have a piece of aluminum lying around. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.